Hi, my name is Aldo Loera, and I'm going to talk about the characteristics of an electronic commerce. Ubiquity. Ubiquity can be defined as something that is everywhere. It is the ability of the companies to establish a dominant presence among the customers. The global reach refers to the potential customers through the internet the business can obtain. Providing a multilingual website with code of ethics, privacy politics, and additional information. Social technology. Social technology is the freedom of the users of being able to practice social interaction through the internet, in the electronic commerce, comments of other users, likes and dislikes, and shared experiences are an essential part of the social technology on the e-business. Universal standards. It's the technical standard for the e-commerce. Thanks to the universal standards, the price can reduce. Business techniques shared around the globe. The personalization and customization. Personalization means collecting the customer data and analyzing what the customer is preferring in order to show him products or services of his interest. Customization lets users make changes to the content that they will see, making the customer more interested in the web page. The interactivity allows customer and merchant to exchange information about the product of or service the customer is interested of. It is a way of communication that was implemented recently, and it is a way to talk like face to face, but on a global internet scale. Richness. Richness are the elements to make the interaction to the customer more dense and striking, using images, videos, and persuasive messages, reducing the amount of text and making it less boring. Information density. The information density is the amount of information about something that can be found in an e-commerce. For example, items in stock, ability for purchase, the time for delivery, and some other details. Now we're going to see three websites that are going to be useful as an examples of the e-commerce characteristics. Here we can see an image with two people. It's a colorful image. It refers as it's an example of a richness characteristic because they are not showing the product in a boring way. Here we can see the help button. With the help button, you can interact with merchant and talk about the product you want to talk about. And also here we have some images. If you click on one of these products, it deploys a lot of information about it. Um, this will be the, the information density, the amount of information it has. The next one will be Liverpool. Here we can see some stores. It's an example of Ubiquity. Ubiquity, Liverpool has a lot of stores around the world. And here's a great example. Personalization and customization, interactivity, interactivity also with the WhatsApp option, and richness. And now finally Shine. Uh, Terms and conditions are part of the global reach characteristic, interactivity, and richness. I choose these three options because they were great examples of online stores and they used to not have problems in the online website. And now I'm going to talk about three challenges and how would I solve them. First of all, the refunds. The refunds, I will solve them as not doing anything if you are not sure you want about it. But if the product is not like you want it, okay, what do you do? First of all, you make sure yourself that you wanted that product. And if you weren't, then it's your fault. Okay, next. The showrooming. Sometimes if you see an online product, you can only see one face and it's a limitant because you are not seeing the entire product. So What should I do? A 360 view, 360 view, where you can move your finger in the touchpad and move around the product to see the 100% about it. Okay, and now the data protection. Okay, this is a very common problem because online stores used to have issues with the online data protection, but how would I solve them? That's actually a really interesting question because it's pretty complicated. But if you ask me, I will not put any data on the internet or I will save it on a cloud. Or maybe I would encrypt my data, or maybe I will, I don't know, upgrade my computer software so it can retain more data about me and know that it has to protect it. Here are some of the references. Thank you so much.